Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can fix the field crashing problem. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, you need to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. However, if your field app still gets crashed, simply tap on your settings option and go to your apps option. So once you press on apps, you can find the app management option. So simply press on it and then simply scroll through it to find where your field app is. So once you find your field app, just simply tap it on and then you will end up in this page where you can find the force stop option. Now simply tap on force stop and force stop your field app, which will help to restart it again and fix your crashing problem. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.